Are you a programmer?
Now I will tell you a wonderful trick.
You feel like a hacker if you try the trick that I'm telling you.
For that, open your CMD Promote. Click Windows key plus R. The Run dialog box will open. Type in the program's name you want to run. It has some name, even your system defaults. In that place, enter CMD and run it. The CMD Promote will open. There is another simple way to open it. There is several ways to open, but one very simple way is click on Windows key and search CMD. This is very simple to open CMD Promote. Click Enter on it to open. I made this video speed to 0.4x, so it's a little bit slow. Put it in full screen. Generally, hack will only looks in green color, right? For that, enter color A to change the color into green. I made this video speed to 0.4x, so it's a little bit slow. Press Enter. The text color will change into the green color. But we are talking about hacking, right? For that wonderful hacking, enter dir/s. After entering dir/s, press Enter. This video edited in 0.4x slow motion. Try it on your own for better. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.